In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank account in Xero. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting an account in Xero is permanent, and it only works if the account has never been used in a transaction or a reconciliation. If the account has history, deletion will be blocked, and you may need to tidy things up or consider archiving instead. Make sure you have the right user permissions to manage the chart of accounts. And it's always smart to export a copy of your accounts for your records before making changes. Begin by opening your browser, heading to Xero, and signing into your organization. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're in the right place to make updates. From the top navigation, select Accounting. This opens the main accounting menu where you manage ledgers and settings. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. Here you'll see every account in your organization, including any bank accounts that were created. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the exact bank account you want to remove. Confirm the type shows as bank, so you're working with the correct item. And review the account name and code carefully to avoid deleting the wrong one, especially if you operate in multiple currencies or have similarly named accounts. When you've found the right line, click the checkbox beside that account. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the intended account. It's worth verifying it isn't currently in use in any repeating transactions or rules. With the account selected, click Delete. Xero will display a confirmation prompt. Read it closely and proceed if you're certain. If Xero refuses to delete the account, it usually means it has existing transactions, a starting balance, imported or reconciled bank statement lines, a connected bank feed, or it's included in a locked period. In those cases, you'll need to remove or reassign transactions, clear unmatched statement lines, disconnect any live bank feed, or wait until the lock date is lifted. If it's a historical account that you no longer use, archiving may be the safer alternative to preserve your audit trail while keeping it out of everyday lists. Once the deletion succeeds, the account disappears from your chart and is no longer available for coding or reporting. Refresh your reports to confirm nothing critical referenced that account, and note the change in your internal documentation for compliance. That's all you need to do. With these steps and checks, you can confidently and cleanly delete a bank account in Xero.